Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Laundry Hamper Gray is probably one of the most underappreciated items in your home, but trust me, a good one can make a world of difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of laundry hampers, specifically the gray ones, to find the perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability. We'll explore various designs, materials, and features to help you choose a hamper that not only keeps your dirty clothes out of sight but also complements your living space. Number 5. Mind Reader Slim 60L Laundry Hamper. Introducing the Mind Reader Slim Laundry Hamper. It's designed to make laundry day a little easier. This hamper combines style and functionality. With a generous 60-liter capacity, it can hold plenty of clothes, towels, or linens. It can handle up to 15 kilograms or 33 pounds. It's perfect for a family's laundry needs. Its slim and tall design is perfect for small spaces. It fits easily in bathrooms, laundry rooms, or any compact living area. It maximizes space without sacrificing storage. The premium plastic weave provides excellent ventilation. This allows for natural air circulation, keeping your clothes fresh. It helps prevent unwanted odors. It features a hinged lid for a tidy appearance. Built-in handles make it easy to carry. This makes transporting laundry a breeze. The hamper measures 17.65 L x 13.75 W x 24.15 H at the top. Its tapered design saves space. It's a practical and stylish solution for your laundry needs. What we like? This hamper's slim, tall design is perfect for tight spaces. Its ventilated wicker style allows for great air circulation, keeping your clothes fresh. If you have a small bathroom or laundry room, this is a great choice. It's also great if you like a tidy look with its hinged lid. What people say. The flip lid is sturdy as well. The material feels sturdy and the ventilation holes keep things smelling fresh. Nice quality thick plastic but not too heavy. Easy to open lid and cute enough to leave outside the closet. Number 4. SONGMICS 23.8-gallon Rattan Laundry Hamper. This laundry hamper features a convenient lid, easily opened with one hand. It keeps your dirty clothes out of sight and helps contain any unpleasant odors. It also keeps your pets away from your laundry. Designed to fit perfectly in tight spaces, this hamper offers a generous 23.8-gallon capacity. It's ideal for bathrooms, bedrooms, or laundry rooms, maximizing your storage without taking up too much floor space. The removable liner is machine washable, ensuring good hygiene. It also has handles, making it easy to carry your laundry to the washing machine or wherever you need it. Made with breathable, waterproof PP rattan, this hamper keeps your clothes dry and well ventilated. The sturdy metal frame ensures it can hold up to 55 pounds of laundry. Cut-out handles make it easy to move the hamper around. The bottom feet protect your floors from scratches, and it folds up for easy storage when not in use. This makes it a very convenient choice. What we like? This hamper offers a perfect size for tight spaces. It also has a removable liner with handles, making it easy to carry. If you are looking for a space-saving solution that is easy to move and store, this foldable design is a great option. What people say. Fits perfectly in my smaller bathroom, and you can put in a lot of clothes. It was very easy to put together and seems extremely sturdy while also very easy to transport. It is very lightweight and has a removable laundry bag. Very sturdy and looks aesthetic. I have the gray one and love it. Number 3. Greenstell 110L Wicker Laundry Hamper. This Greenstell hamper is meticulously crafted from durable, waterproof synthetic rattan. Each piece is handmade, ensuring a unique touch. The waterproof floor mat keeps your clothes clean. Forget carrying armfuls of clothes. Simply remove the liner bag and take it to the washer. The metal handles make it easy to move the hamper around your home. The divided hamper simplifies sorting and organizing your laundry. The high-quality cloth lining is durable, and a replacement is included. When not in use, it can be folded to save space. The thickened iron wire frame provides excellent load-bearing capacity. It has a large interior space, and a PU decorative handle. The easy open lid keeps your room tidy. This hamper is 22.2 L, *13.3 W, *24.0 H, inch. The package includes the laundry hamper, 2 removable liner bags, and an instruction manual. What we like. This hamper features handwoven craftsmanship with a unique look. It comes with 2 removable liner bags, making laundry sorting a breeze. If you like a stylish and functional hamper with easy sorting and space-saving features, consider this one. What people say. It comes with 3 wash bags, they're good sizes. This basket looks really nice. It's high quality too, and it was really easy to assemble. Number 2. Zero Jet Lag 45L Slim Laundry Hamper. This slim laundry hamper features reinforced handles on both sides, making it easy to carry. The handles are long enough to carry clothes with just one hand. Ideal for small spaces, this hamper is perfect for dorms and travel. It's lightweight, so moving it around is a breeze, whether empty or full. Made of Oxford cloth, this hamper offers good load-bearing capacity and wear resistance. It's built to last and handle your laundry needs. This hamper folds down to just 1 inch, making storage simple. You can easily store it in a drawer without taking up much space. The drawstring mesh top keeps laundry fresh and odor-free. The waterproof lining prevents leaks, and the smooth wheels make transport effortless. It's a practical gift for anyone. What we like. This hamper has extended handles for easy transport. It's also collapsible for easy storage when not in use. If you are looking for a lightweight and durable hamper that's easy to move around and store, this is a great choice. What people say. It is sturdy and holds a lot of laundry. The hamper is a great size and fits perfectly in the space I have. The lid is a nice feature to keep the dirty clothes out of sight. Number 1. VASAGLE Laundry Hamper with 2 removable bags. This laundry hamper features 2 compartments, each holding 12.1 gallons. This design makes it simple to separate your lights and darks, streamlining your laundry routine. The top shelf provides additional space for organizing laundry essentials or displaying decorative items. The slatted design promotes airflow, helping to keep things fresh. The bags are easily removable thanks to the hook and loop fasteners. Each bag has a plastic panel at the bottom to prevent sagging, and they are also washable. Built with a robust steel frame and MDF panel, this hamper is designed for stability. The Oxford fabric bags are water-resistant, and the adjustable feet ensure it stays level on any floor. Perfect for any room, this hamper is ideal for the laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom. Its functional design makes it a great addition to any home. What we like. This hamper has 2 compartments for easy laundry sorting. It also has a convenient top surface for extra storage. If you like to keep your laundry organized and need extra space, this is the perfect hamper for you. What people say. It holds a medium-sized load of laundry easily in each basket, medium-sized for a standard washer. The drawers slide out very easily and keep the laundry out of sight in an elegant manner. Assembly was very simple and it's extremely sturdy for being lightweight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.